Okay, so we're gonna go down St. Paul Street and we're gonna just kind of highlight this before we go up. There's a bunch of people here. They're all coming up to see Sao Paulo ruins. And they're also going up over there to see the fortress, which is over there as well. You can see cannons up there and all kinds of cool stuff. Oh yeah, lots of crowds. So we're gonna go right through that whole crowd of people right over there to St. Paul Street. So stay tuned for that. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so let's head on down. Get right into the middle of everything. Get out of the sun a little bit. Come down this way. Okay. Sao Paulo ruins. Pretty cool architecture around here too. Okay, so we're going to navigate down to St. Paul Street. We're going to get into this big mess of people everywhere. Get out of the sun as well, get into the shade a little bit. So now we're going to get into St. Paul Street. And St. Paul Street is a cobblestone street. It goes down this way. So we're kind of catching it about halfway down. So if we wanted to, we could go all the way down that way. But I want to go through the crowds. So we're not going to do it from end to end. We're just going to do from Sao Paulo ruins down. We get lots of crowds in a minute. People will come and start taking photos as soon as they see the ruins. It really is a beautiful sight. That's one thing that was kind of amazing. Like, they often, like, this is built on a church, on a hill. I mean, so that's kind of like one of the things that they'll often do is build it on a hill, and then it has quite a splendid feeling when you come across it. So even today, it's still like amazing just the way it's set up and. Okay, so amazingly, the crowds are not too bad. This can be really crowded in here.
买个1斤装的煤，太鸡贼了。就那个10斤装的1天就干完。他那真是他那个，反正那天他那个同事，那孩子也说，那大你知道哪种吗？就是我接着打，孩子说，哎， 这里上门对面的孩子啊，挺瘦的人，奇怪的，竟然有这么多人。看不着他。这在哪？我要找一个专门的店。
一直行啊，大三巴見啦。Made it. It's kind of cool. So that was actually Sao Paulo ruins of Sao Paulo Street. Very, very cool. Let's get over to this side. So that's Rua de Sao Paulo right there, St. Paul Street. So yeah, it's so busy. Yeah, you can actually see all the crowds all the way over there too. There's also lots of other kind of cool stuff you could go to all the way around here as well. So we're gonna highlight it back at that crowded street again in a moment. Bruce Lee, the temple. Straw Street, Zanaripaya. But yeah, that was our crazy street right there. Busy St. Paul Street. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.